Want to keep your HubSpot records up to date and never lose track of your calls again? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to manually log call activity in HubSpot, step by step, with the latest 2025 interface. Whether you're following up with leads or managing client relationships, this quick guide will make sure every call is recorded accurately and effortlessly. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once inside, navigate to the Contacts tab. You can also log calls from companies, deals, or tickets depending on where you're tracking that interaction. Next, open the record you want to update. For example, if you recently spoke to a potential client, open their contact record. On the left panel or activity timeline, click the Log button, and from the drop-down, select Call. Now you'll see the log, a call window. Here's where the magic happens. Enter the date and time of the call if it's different from the current moment. Add the call outcome, such as connected, left voicemail, or no answer. This helps with reporting later. Type in any important notes or highlights from the conversation. Be specific. Mention next steps, questions raised, or follow-up tasks. If the call is related to other records, you can associate it with multiple contacts, deals, or tickets by selecting them in the Association section. Once everything looks good, click Save Log. Your call will now appear in the activity timeline for that record, helping you and your team stay aligned and informed. If you want to make this even faster, use HubSpot's keyboard shortcuts or the mobile app to log calls on the go. And that's it. You've just learned how to manually log call activity in HubSpot like a pro. Keeping your calls organized not only improves your workflow, but also ensures better follow-ups and stronger relationships. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick HubSpot tips, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover other HubSpot features next.